Welcome to the Path Creation tutorial. In this tutorial, we will guide you through our new path creation feature and tools. Annotating your floor plan with walkable only and all-access paths creates a wayfinding network across your venue that will guide your visitors to various location pins that you will place across your map. Once you've activated and aligned your floor plan, open the map in Web Studio. Click the location pin icon to open the New Path and Location Pin menu. Under the path icon, there are two path styles, all access or walkable only. Most paths will be all access since many venues accommodate all levels of accessibility. But areas that are walkable only, like narrow or uneven pathways, can be annotated with the walkable only path. Let's begin drawing the paths in the areas that visitors will be navigating. Click the path icon and select a path option. Click the pen tool and select Add New Node. Right-click to place each point of the path. If you want to switch between path types or pen tools, click Finish Editing and select the path and pen option you want to use. You can add nodes that branch off of existing paths by selecting the Edit Pen tool, left-clicking the node you want to extend, and placing the new node. To straighten paths or reposition nodes, left-click on a node and slide it into the desired position. If you want to delete a node, click Finish Editing and select Delete from the Pen tool options and left-click the node you want to delete. Once you're finished annotating the floor plans with paths, click Finish Editing and save and exit. Now you're ready to add content to your map.